This video answers the search how to buy shares of Li Auto Inc-ADR. Li Auto is a Chinese electric vehicle maker listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LI. Educational disclaimer. This is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker LI to find Li Auto Inc-ADR. Choose the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to make sure it is the correct stock. On the Li Auto Asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to understand recent market activity. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm you are on the right listing. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order handling will depend on the platform and order type. And if your balance is insufficient, the broker will prompt you to add funds before completing the transaction. Once the trade executes, you will see your position listed in the portfolio on eToro. For convenience, the eToro link used in this walkthrough is provided in the video description.